Today we're going to learn the names of different birds. This will make you even smarter. After watching, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more fun learning. Let's get started! This bird is a swan. The main feature of a swan is its long, graceful neck. This bird is pigeon, and pigeons are birds with soft gray feathers. They can fly long distances and always find their way home. They like to eat seeds and bread. Pigeons take good care of their babies, called squabs. They're smart and gentle birds. This bird is parrot. Parrot is colorful birds with bright feathers, usually green, red, blue, or yellow. They have strong beaks and love to eat fruits, seeds, and nuts. Parrots are really good at talking. Some can even copy words that people say. They live in trees and are very smart birds. Parrots are playful and love to be with other parrots or even people. They're full of energy and can live a long time, sometimes as long as 50 years. So parrots are not just pretty. They're smart and fun, too. This bird is a cock. A cock, or rooster, is a bird with bright feathers, usually red, brown, or black. It has a red comb on its head and a loud cock-a-doodle-doo sound to wake everyone up in the morning. Cocks are very protective of their hens and love to crow all day long. My dear friend, this bird is crow, and crow is a black bird with shiny feathers. They are very smart and make a loud caw-caw sound. Crows eat almost anything, like seeds, insects, and even small animals. They are clever birds that can use tools and solve problems. You often see them flying around in groups. This is duck, and duck is a water bird with webbed feet that help it swim. Ducks have soft feathers and can be different colors like white, brown, or green. They love to quack and eat things like plants, insects, and small fish. You'll often see ducks swimming in ponds or waddling on land. This bird is eagle, and an eagle is a big, strong bird with sharp claws and a hooked beak. They have excellent eyesight and can see their prey from far away. Eagles fly high in the sky and are very fast. They hunt small animals like fish and rabbits. Eagles are known for being powerful and are often called the king of birds. Guys, this bird is peacock, and a peacock is a beautiful bird with bright, colorful feathers. The male peacock has a big fan-shaped tail with shiny blue and green feathers that it spreads out like a rainbow. Peacocks love to show off their tails to impress others. They make a loud call and like to eat seeds, insects, and small plants. They are one of the most stunning birds in the world. Wow, this is one of my lovely bird guys. This is sparrow, and a sparrow is a small, brown bird with soft feathers. They are very common and can be seen hopping around gardens, parks, and streets. Sparrows love to eat seeds and small insects. They are quick and chirp sweetly, making little cheep cheep sounds. Sparrows are tiny but very active birds. This is hen, and hen is a female chicken. She has soft feathers and is usually brown or white. Hens lay eggs, which people eat. They like to peck at the ground for seeds and insects and are very good at taking care of their chicks. Hens make a clucking sound and often stay together in groups. An owl is a night bird with big, round eyes and soft, quiet feathers. They can see really well in the dark and make a hooting sound like woo-woo. Owls hunt small animals like mice and insects. They have sharp talons and can turn their heads almost all the way around. Owls are amazing nighttime hunters. This is woodpecker. Woodpecker is a bird with a strong beak that it uses to tap on trees. They make a drumming sound by pecking quickly and loudly. Woodpeckers are usually colorful, with red, black, and white feathers. They look for insects under the bark of trees to eat and build their nests in tree trunks. They're great at climbing and drilling into wood. This is crane, and crane is a tall bird with long legs and a long neck. It's usually gray or white and likes to stand in water. Cranes eat fish and plants and make a loud sound like trumpet. They like to dance with their wings and live in wet, open places. This is ostrich. An ostrich is a very big bird with long legs and a long neck. It has fluffy feathers that are mostly black and white. Ostriches can run really fast and are the largest birds in the world, but they can't fly. They like to live in open areas like grasslands and eat plants and seeds. Here is another bird, and its name is kingfisher. Kingfisher is a colorful bird with bright feathers, often blue and orange. It has a long, sharp beak that it uses to catch fish. Kingfishers love to stay near water and make a quick dive to grab their dinner. They're small, but very fast and pretty to look at. Here is another cute bird, which is sunbird. A sunbird is a tiny, colorful bird with bright feathers that can be green, red, or yellow. They have a long, thin beak that helps them drink nectar from flowers. Sunbirds are very quick and love to flit from flower to flower. They're like little jewels in the garden. This is hummingbird. A hummingbird is a tiny bird that can hover in one spot by flapping its wings super fast. It has bright, shiny feathers and a long, slender beak for sipping nectar from flowers. Hummingbirds are amazing flyers and can move forwards, backwards, and even upside down. They're very small but full of energy. This is bulbul. A bulbul is a small bird with a cute rounded body and a short, cheerful song. They have soft feathers that can be brown, gray, or sometimes colorful. Bulbuls like to eat fruits, insects, and seeds. They're friendly and often seen hopping around in gardens and trees. This is hawk. A hawk is a big bird with sharp claws and a strong beak. It can see really well and flies high in the sky to catch small animals like mice. An amazing fact about hawks is that they can spot something as small as a rabbit from very far away. This is dove, and I love dove. A dove is a gentle bird with soft feathers that are usually white or light gray. Doves make a gentle cooing sound and are often seen as symbols of peace. They like to eat seeds and live in trees or bushes. Doves are known for their calm and friendly nature. Hey friends, it's quiz time about birds. Don't worry if you're not sure. Just watch the video again and you'll get it. You're all amazing. And every question is a chance to learn something super cool about birds. Ready? Let's have some fun and see what you know. Questions are, Which bird has colorful feathers and can make a loud cock-a-doodle-doo sound in the morning? Answer: rooster. Which bird has a big fan-shaped tail with shiny feathers that it spreads out to impress others? Answer: peacock. Which big, strong bird has sharp talons, a hooked beak, and can spot small animals from far away? Answer: hawk.